guys to another video. Adventure Epic. This one, guys, is all about, and yes, still in New York, and we're at the, what do you call this again? The orchard, yes. And here you'll be able to pick your fruits and pay for what you pick. So this is gonna be epic, guys. Adventure you don't want to miss. All right. Hey, Rosa. Yeah, guys. So stay tuned. All right. So we're just entering the area.
What do we get?
60, 60, right?
So we're gonna pick cherries. Yeah, we're gonna pick cherries, guys. So stay tuned. It's gonna be adventure. So actually, we are farm workers now. The only difference is that we're paying for it. Oh, okay. There's so many things going on here, guys. It's just amazing. As you can see, people over that section over there picking apples and stuff. It's just amazing, you know. There's so much to do, and I'm grateful that, you know, to God that I'm able to experience some of these things. I hope you guys can also, you know, so I think that those are the box that you get, and you go and pick your own stuff. And it's a good look. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. All right. Yeah, man, show me that you're enjoying, you know, these videos and you're appreciating the adventure. Yeah, big up to Colette as well. She's the one, Rosa's sister, who's taking us, you know, on these exciting adventure. It's a good look.
You pick, you pay for, and everything is either charged by the pound or by the piece. So if you are interested in picking any lettuce or bok choy, those are going to be by the piece, so just pull the whole thing straight out. There's a couple different ways you can get to the strawberries and cherries. We do have tractors going on that'll pick you up at the edge of the stand here. The strawberry tractor is going to bring you closer to obviously the strawberries, but there is a cherry field down that way as well. The cherry tractor is going to bring you to the cherry field. Oh my God! So the cherry boxes are $1 for your cherries and strawberries. That's going to give you guys plenty.
I forgot I have my count down.
That we realize. We keep that smile going. Can't make it jump at all. So this is the ride, and we're going to strawberry. It's strawberry or cherry? Cherry, right?
Cherry.
Strawberry.
Oh.
It just give you time to fix yourself.
Yeah. That's two.
You have apple on it.
Apples, they're young. Yeah, there you go. Farm workers, guys. The farm workers for one day. One big cherries. I see where the farm work look, not true.
But they don't really bring people into them. They don't think the farm is big enough. I don't think the farm is big enough.
This is for people to just pick them up themselves. That's the experience.
It's just for you to come and pick and buy.
Oh, okay. Excited, excited.
Like 100 different types.
First, missing them apple tree as well.
That's yellow cherries. Those big cherries.
Okay. No le camina el carro.
I like the purple, the bright purple one there.
These are pretty though.
But these are not purple. They are the same arm. These are the ones. These are the soft ones. No sweet?
The kind of sweet that tree that is.
Turn to a purple one then. I find a purple one, the real purple. Serious that?
Kind of sweet that tree that one.
They might not sweet at all.
That one kind of bad.
So I turned it on.
I saw one sour. Yeah.
Right now we don't
Any
need to.
trees you're not on?
They don't
People
good.
don't want to.
Right now don't you know you're not bad on.
What about the bag?
Uncle. All of my family. Everything good. Yeah, man. Yeah, hear me? This is definitely and them look weird.
That's somebody pick up the wall of the one.
Well, I'm sour, man. I'm so sour. How them want to stay now?
They have a sweet, tangy
Yeah.
taste.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody tell you.
This one no bad. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Depends on which one you pick.
I want that sweet. Mm-hmm. What is something there?
Tabby.
Just one of them one that rose up.
Which one?
This one. You know what's in there?
If what's bad, me sue them.
So what?
Yeah, sir, but. Right? Cherry should be soft. You see how them soft because them fresh?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to the store, they're hard, so that means they put something for them.
So So you know you can't. Yeah, you know what now? We are taste too much from different trees. So
When you get the right one, then you decide.
the flavor now go right. The taste now go right. They go show off.
I think you pick off on this tree because it's the best.
Rosa, this is nice. This one is nice.
Alright, so let's pick.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, bad one. It's not bad at
You must
all.
pick them with the stem.
That's what I used to do, but you both say it's too much in stem we and all
Oh, it go?
I was saying pick them with the stem because it's prettier. But you know, they weigh them, so they weigh the stem too. He's right.
So you know what happened?
Yeah.
You know, left with that dollar. Everything gone. But anyways, let's see if we can just pick some. Somebody read the tree already, you know?
Because I realize it's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
He's gonna take a beating with this cherry.
Mm-hmm. This is the apple, guys. It's young. Very young. For an apple. Well, guys, it's really nice here. It's all cherry back from here go to that side. Well, next time we'll definitely pick some apples. The farm is nice. Really nice. It's an experience, you know? It's an experience. I don't really like strawberries, you know. So I guess I won't be doing that today. But definitely I'll finish, you know, get some cherries. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna pick. Alright? No flow, remember to like, share, and subscribe, alright? Yeah, man.
We don't really need no more on this. Right?
Yeah.
Came for the experience.
It's not the same thing as
That's the one that you buy in the store. These are nice and fresh.
Yeah.
We can't even make cherry. Oh, come make a cherry pie.
Cherry pie?
Yeah.
well, so on you make you make cherry pie, but you want to waste up your
I'm gonna waste
You
them.
can't put sugar in it.
Yeah, I make a cherry pie. You mean to eat them with sugar?
You ever eat stewed cherry, the Jamaican one?
Yes.
Tastes so good.
Yeah.
You ever eat stewed jimbilin?
I think the sour one would be the best one to stew.
Yeah.
Is that the Jimblin?
I stew them with some ginger.
Oh,
And they're so nice.
I love that. They see the dark ones, them. They are the ones. They are the
There's a
ones.
1, 3 and 4 berry.
Yeah. This is an experience, though.
Yeah,
Trust me.
nice experience. When you have a picture again.
No.
But you have one cherry tree.
I do, but it's not like
Cherry
this.
is so like a line. I didn't know one of it's tree.
Whew, I want that picture in the tree.
Nice tree? Up in the tree?
Yeah, you can climb up this ladder right here.
Picture? Who need it? You?
I'm gonna take one in the tree too.
And pick him up. Here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, guys, so you can get you a little leather, tree tall. It's amazing. You pick a cherry. It's an experience, guys. Love it. Love the adventure. You can check it out too, guys. It's Lawrence Farm Orchard, okay? Yeah, man, big up on yourself and enough love. Thank you for watching, alright? Later. Respect. Peace out. You see, guys, these kids here, they're so exposed to, you know, they're so exposed, you know, they don't, you know, grow up, you know, fearful of anything. They go, from them young and go on adventures, you know. Yeah, man. It's a good look. Trust me.
And then ready. I'm ready. They want to offer it.
This one, it's going to be sweet. It's going to be sweet when it's ready. Maybe it's it,
This is the other color, guys. Cherry. This is the more expensive one.
It's coming back.
Oh my God. Funny. Oh. I guess I'm gonna grab something to eat. See if we can get some. You know what? No, a Chevrolet. It's a Chevrolet. Yeah.